Hi, welcome to English Conversation Practice. Today we practice conversations on asking about activities. Conversation A. When do you eat lunch today? I ate from 12 to 1. Where did you have your lunch? I had it at Pete's restaurant today. Conversation B. Did you have a good time at the party? We had a wonderful time. It was really a lot of fun. We ought to have another party like that soon. Conversation C. Did you work at home last night? Yes, I washed the dishes and cleaned the house. Did you do anything else? Yes, I listened to the radio for a while. Conversation D. Did you have a good time last night? Yes, I had a wonderful time. You will probably have fun tomorrow too. I am sure I will have an excellent time. Conversation E. Where did you go? We went to a beautiful beach. Did you swim in the ocean? Yes, but we swam close to the shore. That's all for now. See you later. If you like my content, please subscribe. Bye.